How to withdraw Sweatcoins to GCash. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can look out for those offers, those options where we can withdraw Sweatcoins to GCash. So let's go ahead and look out on how we can do that. So in order to do that, you may simply launch your Sweatcoin application on your device and simply log in into your account. After that is done, on the top right corner you can find the balance sheet. So you're just gonna go ahead and tap on balance sheet, and here you will be able to find spend Sweatcoins and complete free offers. So you may just go ahead and tap on any of them. I'm just gonna go ahead and tap on go to shop. After going here, you will be finding different options here where you can spend the Sweatcoins too. So unfortunately, if you've been hoping to directly transfer your Sweatcoins to GCash, I've got some important info for you. So at the moment, Sweatcoin doesn't support GCash as a direct withdrawal method. This means you won't be able to transfer your Sweatcoin straight to your GCash account just yet. But what you can do instead is simply spend the Sweatcoins within the app and purchase different things from here. But here's the thing. Sweatcoin might introduce new features in the future that could include GCash as a withdrawal option. So while it is not available right now, be sure to look out for the future updates from Sweatcoin. They may roll out this feature and you'll be able to directly withdraw GCash when it becomes available. So that's all for today. While GCash isn't available as a direct withdrawal option yet, just keep an eye out for the future updates from Sweatcoin. So if this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.